In this video, we're going to show you how to adjust a folding door. The only adjustments you have on the folding door is the jambs. So there's a jamb extension on both sides. So if you need to move the sashes either left or right, the only way you can do it is on the jamb extensions. So as you will see, there's a gasket there. So what you want to do is remove the gaskets on both sides. So make sure you take both sides out. You have to release these set screws. Don't have to take them all the way out, but you need to release them. And then you need a 3mm Allen key. There's adjustment behind here. It's a 3mm Allen key. What that does is, if you screw it in, it pushes your jamb that way. Or if you go the opposite way, release the pressure, then when you put the set screws back in, it's going to suck it in further, so it's going to move the sashes this way. So you have to adjust them as you need it. Now, most of the time it will be on the bottom. Well, you probably have to push it that way. So if all the sashes are stacked on this side, you got a lot of weight here. So from the weight of the doors, it automatically wants to probably go a little too far that way. So you want to move the jamb that way. The top would be the opposite way. So you want to pull it over because the weight's going to always pull it towards the left. Now, you don't have to adjust both of them at the same time. You have to just look at what you need to do and adjust accordingly. So you might only have to adjust the top two to pull the whole weight over, or you might just have to adjust the bottom two to push it over this way. Once you set that, make sure the set screws are put back in. And then the gasket will go right back on top of it. It just snaps in. Of course, you'll have a full piece where I only have pieces here. First thing you want to do, always make sure the active panel. So if it's not a 3-panel, you'll have one active panel. So it doesn't matter if it's a 5-panel, a 7-panel, or whatever. Every time you open the door with an active panel, that has to be opened all the way and snapped onto the magnets here. So we have magnets in place so it holds the door open before you open the next panels. Then you go inside, unlock the other 2 panels, and open the door. Now to close it, also have to make sure this panel is always snapped in. So if you see a door like this, before you even start closing it, make sure the active door is snapped in. And then you use the active door and close it. In order to lock the door, engage the locking points, you have to pull the handle upwards.